Exercise 8. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a character and checks if that character is a vowel or a consonant. The program should then print an appropriate message based on the input. Okay. This should be pretty straightforward. So we ask the user to enter a character. Now, we could check this by using a long if statement, like if user letter equals A or user letter equals B, and so on. Sorry, this should be two equal signs, but we don't want that. Okay, this exercise comes after we're learning about the in operator, so that's what we want to use. So if you use a letter in A, E, I, O, U or A, E, I, O, U, then again, let's not print immediately here, so you can say here vowel, else then here you can print the letter is a result. Okay, so if you use a letter in A, E, I, O, U, print result is vowel, else consonant. So you can try it out. Please enter a character G. That is a consonant. Please enter a character E. That is a vowel. Now, if the person enters a capital letter, it will say it's a consonant. Why? Because we don't have capital letters inside here. One way of dealing with that is simply to add them in. So that means if user letter is in anywhere in this string, then it will say it's a vowel. So now if we do that again and we put capital E, it says it's a vowel. Okay? There are other ways of doing this, but this is one way, using the in operator. See you in the next exercise.